Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Sagittarius fire sign. What's going on Sagittarius? Four of Wands, Four of Cups and Seven of Swords. The Devil, Three of Cups and Hangman. Queen of Cups. Sagittarius, you are very caring person, giving person, and you have strong emotions for this person. Yeah. And you always giving but not getting what you are giving. So you don't get return what you are giving in, especially in this person case, in this relationship. Okay. But you have strong emotions for your person. Queen of Cups is here. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Four of Wands, Four of Cups and Seven of Swords. You want this happiness, Four of Cups celebration with this person, but it is not happening. It was not happen. And Four of Cups, you are sad for the missed opportunity with your person. Seven of Swords, because maybe they are not committed. They are non-committal. They are in and out of your life. They may be playing games with you. Maybe for some it could be third party. They cheated on you, lied to you. Because Seven of Swords is a very sneaky energy. Yeah, that's why you want this happiness with your person, but it was not happened. So let's see. Present, the Devil, Three of Cups and the Hangman. Still, for some it could be there is third party situation. Another friend or another woman. The third party could be anyone. It could be family. It could be friends. It could be any. That's why I'm getting strong third party situation here. Three of Cups with Four of Cups. Yeah. And the Devil, the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. But you are stuck on this person and thinking about them a lot. But some spiritual awakening is also going. Yeah. Even though you are stuck, but you want to move on from this person, some spiritual awakening is going in your life right now. And yeah, you want this happiness with this person, celebration, but right now maybe you are in a no contact situation or in separation. The Hierophant, Nine of Swords and Ace of Swords. So the commitment issues, what I'm getting here, you are very committed in this relationship, but your person is not. That's why you are thinking about them a lot, about the commitment a lot. And especially when you are alone, you are thinking them a lot. See, this is very anxiety and depression type of energy. And Ace of Swords, yeah, I think some communication is going to be happen. Some clarity is coming. You want some clarity, what I'm getting here. So I think it is coming because Ace of Swords, truth coming out and communication. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Capricorn. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. See, Ten of Wands under the deck. Maybe your person right now feeling overburdened due to the responsibilities, maybe family or work, or could be this relationship also. I am getting family and responsibilities, work pressure. Yeah, right now your person feeling overburdened. So let's see their current feelings towards you. Sagittarius. Sagittarius, your person current feelings. Empress. Two of Wands. Okay, King of Cups. They see you as their Empress. Definitely they see you that you very grounded. You stand by your power. Yeah. they're thinking about you very positively. And Two of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And King of Cups is here. Yeah, they have so much love for you. They want to offer this cup of love to you. Even though you're in separation, even though you are in no contact situation, still your person have emotions for you. See, in this deck, under the deck, Queen of Cups, and here King of Cups. Yeah, you both have strong emotions for each other, and they're thinking about you a lot. They're wondering about you a lot. Under the deck, King of Swords, communication. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Again, Ace of Swords, King of Wands, Emperor. Yeah, they will take action towards you. Under the deck, Ten of Pentacles, stability. They really want to offer stability to this connection. For some, your person right now concentrating on their career. They want to stable financially before coming towards you, what I'm getting here. And Ace of Swords with King of Wands. Your person is also very powerful person, very grounded and very attractive person. Maybe for some, your person is already successful person. So Ace of Swords, yeah, you will get communication, you will get clarity, Sagittarius, from their end. And the Emperor, yeah, they really want to offer commitment to this connection. I think you both have some ego problems, what I'm getting here. And King of Wands, yeah, there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. So they're going to be make action very soon. Some communication and clarity is coming. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Three of Wands, waiting. Long distance, Seven of Wands. Yeah, they won't give up on you, Sagittarius. Three of Wands. Maybe they are waiting for you for the right time to approach you. And Six of Wands under the deck. Yeah, they want success in this connection. If you are in relationship, they want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in separation, yeah, they want to win you back again in their life. So a lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Two of Swords. Maybe your person right now at some crossroads. They're making their mind. But they won't give up on you because Seven of Wands. So let's see from your side. Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Wow. Reconciliation. Yeah. For most of you, there will be reconciliation for you in near future. And justice, maybe right now there is no contact situation. And Eight of Swords, maybe you're stuck on this person right now. This connection may be stuck. Yeah, you both are stuck, but you both are thinking about each other a lot. Yeah, justice, second chances. And the person involved in this connection could be Libra also. Six of Cups, reconciliation. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Yeah, they won't give up on you, Sagittarius. Yeah, but waiting, divine timing play key role in this connection. I think you both are busy in your own life, but the connection is stuck right now. But in near future, definitely they are going to be make a move towards you. They are going to be take action. There will be communication and clarity coming. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Sagittarius. Five of Pentacles, separation, cold shouldering. Yeah, let's see. Two of Cups. Wow. You both could be soulmates and this is a mutual love. Six of Swords, the World, and High Priestess. I think Sagittarius, you are listening to your intuition. You are listening to your higher self. The World. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. And Six of Swords. Maybe you decided to move on from this person, but they're coming back. Yeah, they will take action soon. Yeah, you want to move towards calm waters. Okay, but there is love between both of you, mutual love. So under the deck, Princess of Swords, spying. Maybe your person is spying on you on social media, Sagittarius. So let's see. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to offer commitment and they want to be with you. Five of Swords. Yeah, there are some disturbances and misunderstandings between both of you. Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, they want this happiness and celebration with you. Queen of Swords and Six of Wands. Again, they want you win you back and some communication and clarity is coming. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Sagittarius. Balance, spirituality and practicality. Yeah, maybe you're doing meditation and maybe you're listening to spiritual videos more in these recent times. But this is the message from universe: balance, spirituality and practicality, when especially in full moon in Pisces. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.